Paul Johnson says that Napoleon's tactics in some ways are fairly simple. He won his battles by repeated attacks. He won his battles by looking for the exact moment, that precise ideal time to attack the enemy at his weakest point, at his least expectation, with soldiers that you had often kept in hiding. Johnson also says that Napoleon focused artillery and cannon fires, we've already mentioned, on the weakest point of an enemy to terrify them, which was then followed by a glorious cavalry charge, which was then followed by these incredible movements of infantry, led by first the young guard, those who had to earn their spurs or earn experience, and then followed by the old guard, those who had been with Napoleon for a long time, a minimum of 5 years. Napoleon was also known for directing every movement on the battlefield, dressed impeccably, always looking through his spyglass, always wearing his hat sideways and designing himself to look as glorious as he possibly could. That's why you see these great paintings of Napoleon who just looks amazing in battle, as if somebody's brought in some kind of fan to blow his hair just right. That was how he tried to design himself, both in real life and especially in art, where he was actually able to do that. Well,